This is perfect. Just get her done. You know, someone would probably want to put this in their bar or something like that, you know, put it up on their wall.
Then they can come take them off right now. No, I'm not that famous, bro.
You're not that famous. Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, if there was a bar called Van Life Brewing,
it's like, no, what if Jay Leno watches your channel and he's like, I want those doors?
but like, think about it. If there was a place called like Van Life Brewing,
Yeah.
I'd call them.
Okay.
Yeah. You guys want my doors?
There you go. Yeah.
That would make sense, but you know, nobody knows me. You guys want to see the truth behind my van?
Oh, dude.
Look at my van. That is like legitimate. Did you make a mess? Renovations. Some real stuff. Okay, so it should be fairly simple.
You gonna keep your little pee bottle things?
No, you can go.
Okay.
It should be simple. 4 bolts. Out they come. There's probably a wiring harness in here somewhere for this.
Yeah, you're gonna have to take this panel off and disconnect all that.
Yeah, and then this assembly
Yep.
needs to go in the new door.
Okay.
And then swap the lock. The lock's in just a pull pin out the door lock. Comes out pretty easy.
I'll grab my little table up there and then bring that down. So it'll be easier to take all that stuff out if it's on a table. It's chilly again. Wind's come up. So today's the day where Chrome takes his doors out of my storage locker and puts them on his van, which is all right. It's not like they were taking up a lot of room in my thing, but I'm putting on a big jacket. Lately I've been feeling kind of wimpy about the cold. And this jacket, I bought it for hunting, but it's my warmest jacket. It's ugly. I don't like the colors of it, but it's functional out in the woods when I'm out hunting. But honestly, I'd love to get something nice for just, you know, when I'm not out in the wild, but I'm in the wild in the front country. And it looks a little bit better. And they just cut the wires on this. So he's gonna have to disconnect the wires on the other one. So I got harness here, there, and it goes to this plug over here. So we got 1, 2, 3 there. And there's a couple here. And there's a little plug down there, which is cut right now. But that's for this thing here.
Let's say it's a boat that we're all in together, that barely your ways. How long till the break of dawn? How long till it days? How long till the break of dawn? How long till it days? How long till it days? How long till it days?
Now that that's all done and I got his doors out of my storage locker, it's one of it. I didn't really mind having them in there, actually. It was just, I knew he wanted to get them put onto his van at some point, so it was just always in the back of my mind, I'm gonna have to come up here and meet him at some point to do it. But now that that's out of the way, I don't have to think about it anymore. So I'm gonna get my little table set up while he squares away a couple other things in his van. And then since the weather's so nice, we're gonna go back down over there somewhere and do some camping. He's got videos to edit, I got videos to edit, so we're probably just gonna find a cool little spot down there by the ocean and hang out and get that done today. Anyway, I'm gonna go do my locker. Okay, see ya. So here we go. I have my little jack right here and all set for sewing. Incidentally, this thing holds a really great charge. It's at 80%, and I've done my daughter's aprons on it, I did Jeff's curtains on it, and I did a little repair job on a pair of pants. Alright, last little step here is just giving Chrome a hand at the dump, because he's got all those two doors and a bunch of other junk that he's got to get rid of. But the 2 doors are on his bed, and it's a bit of a an operation getting it out of the in and out of his house, in and out of his van, because it's kind of have to snake it through a little narrow section in there beside a bunch of his fancy cabinet work. Good cabinet work that Andy did, which is really, really good work. Anyway, that's it. Whew. Take a little ride on the back of his whole ladder. That was hilarious. Thanks, bud. Hey! Hi! How are you? What is it, buddy? So I'm just refilling my pack here because I ran out of certain ones, and I bought this kit here of spade connectors because I use them fairly frequently, and I'm just topping up my main one. I got a few projects to do in the van. I'm gonna need some of these, and yeah, it's just handy to have them. So there we go. Right on. Charlie, come here. That's how that turned out, guys. Potato, spaghetti squash, garlic, which is right down in there, and an onion. Sour cream and a little cheese and some butter.